This 3-level steel range sleeve used in a differential in a Magna powertrain NPG 226 transfer case has won an award of distinction in the ferrous category. Made by Keystone Powdered Metal Company for Magna Drivetrain of America Incorporated, the 2-pound range sleeve acts as a link between the transmission and the wheels, transferring power to the rear wheels when in 2-wheel drive mode, into all 4 wheels when in 4-wheel drive. This new application for PM, a transfer case differential, is used in the GMC Envoy and Chevrolet Blazer. The part is formed by warm compaction to a minimum density of 7.1 grams per cubic centimeter. All 3 splines are net formed along with the pointed teeth at a minimum density of 7.1 grams per cubic centimeter. Properties include ultimate tensile and yield strength of 180,000 psi and a minimum 35 HRC hardness. PM offered a cost savings of more than 30%. GKN Sinter Metals Emporium has won the other award of distinction in the ferrous category for a PM differential cap made for Chrysler Group and used in the differential gear assembly in the rear axle of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Wrangler, Liberty, Dakota, and Durango models. 2 caps are used in each assembly. This is the first PM differential cap used in a high-volume automotive application. Made from a specially designed machinable material, the part is assembled with a cast iron housing and simultaneously bimetal machined with an inside diameter bore and threading. The new PM design eliminated 5 secondary operations previously required on the casting. The part is made to a minimum density of 6.6 grams per cubic centimeter in the arch. It has an ultimate tensile strength of 70,000 psi, an elongation of 3%, a fatigue endurance limit of 26,000 psi, and a 75 HRB apparent hardness. Annual production could top 1.8 million parts. ASCO Sintering Company won the award of distinction in the stainless steel category for a safety cam made for Buck knives. The cam operates in several models of Buck's new ASAP one-handed quick-release technology for opening the knife blade. The blade cannot open until the safety cam has been released. The 410 stainless steel part reflects an innovative tooling design to form its complex net shape. It is made to a density of 6.5 grams per cubic centimeter and has an ultimate tensile strength of 105,000 psi. Its yield strength is 90,000 psi and hardness is 23 HRC. Flowmet LLC and its customer SDS Ormco have won an award of distinction in the injection molded category for a Damon 3 molar buckle tube system used in orthodontic braces. The system consists of multiple parts made from 17.4 pH stainless steel. The parts have an ultimate tensile strength of 120,000 psi and a yield strength of 104,000 psi. Elongation is 10%, and the heat-treated hardness range is 38 to 42 HRC. The heat-treated ultimate tensile strength is 185,000 psi, and the heat-treated yield strength is 160,000 psi. The tube system was first introduced in the all-metal Damon self-ligating orthodontic appliance. When in full production, this application will total more than 12 million parts annually. Mimflow Technologies LLC and its customer, the Star Dental Division of Dental Easy Corporation, won the other award of distinction in the injection molding category for a manifold used in a handheld fiber optic swivel dental system that delivers air, water, and fiber optic light simultaneously into a patient's mouth. The very complex part is made from 17.4 pH stainless steel powder to a density of 6.7 grams per cubic centimeter. The part has 19 callouts of critical dimensions, allowing a tolerance of plus or minus 0.03 of an inch or less. 5 callouts allow tolerances of only plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch. The part has 7 cores. The 23,000th core is a compound plane to the center line of the part and could not be machined as a post-sintering operation due to the small diameter of the drill. The part is drilled in the green state. Metal injection molding replaced a machined part that had yielded a poor usable rate of only 60%. This kinematic optical mount used in laboratory equipment has won an award of distinction in the Innovative Functional Assembly category. Made by Precision Powdered Metal Parts, Inc., the optical mount holds a mirror lens that directs and deflects a laser beam with 2 100-pitch thread adjustments. The 316L stainless steel part is fabricated to a density of 6.4 grams per cubic centimeter and has a yield strength of 25,000 psi. The patented PM assembly replaced a previously machined aluminum version, but with improved precision, aesthetic appearance, and minimal thermal expansion at room temperature. The complex part is subjected to deburring, drilling, tapping, and blasting with glass beads to enhance its appearance. Engineered Sinterings and Plastics Incorporated won the other award of distinction for a lower arm assembly used in a proprietary application in the publishing and copying industry. The assembly consists of 6 complex PM parts, plastic, laser cut, steel plate, and screw machine parts, and standard purchased components. Engineered Sinterings designed and built the plastic and PM molds, machining fixtures, and inspection and true position fixtures to produce the assembly to its customers' stringent requirements. The assembly is an outstanding example of a family of parts covering many manufacturing disciplines. The 4 PM steel parts are made to a minimum density of 6.8 grams per cubic centimeter and are steam treated. The 316 stainless steel parts are made to a density of 6.5 grams per cubic centimeter. The assembly was originally designed with all of the components either machined or stamped. PM replaced the formerly machined parts, providing outstanding cost savings in the process. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the winners of the Awards of Distinction in the 2005 International PM Design Competition. We now pause briefly in our presentation so that we may invite representatives of the winning companies to come up and receive their awards.